Welcome friends to another lecture. We're gonna continue working on our blog post. So now we need to create something like this. And we have something like this that's very ugly, and then actually there is nothing inside. There's no styles. This part is bootstrap. It's a little bit different, but the other first part is we don't have any styles for that. So now what we need to do before doing this, let's fix this part. So after the video, I probably you've noticed what I've done, and that is, let's find it. I've put this reply inside the I class, and that's why we have some strange font. So you should put reply text outside the class. Now that's very good. What next we need to do is we need to go to open to SAS, and we can put it in components or layout. It's up to you. But I'm gonna put it in components, and I'm gonna create a new file called post. Let's just jump here, and to show you, okay, post container. That's how we're gonna call it. Post container.scss. Now remember, we need to register this one in the apps. So I'm gonna import this one here. Post container. Very good. We don't have, by the way, in the background you should have this running. Right now we are in the post container, and we can start. We can start with the post image, and I'm just gonna do as much as faster as I can, width and height, because I don't want to bore you. So I'm gonna say 50 viewport high. Now before starting jumping to doing that, now we are, I'm not sure what we have it in, let's go in the public IMG. We have only one here. We have two images here, by the way. I don't know why, but I'm just gonna go for IMG, and I have uploads folder here. I'm just gonna create image not available in profile image. I'm just gonna create this one, image not available, maybe this one. I'm just gonna go open the folder XAMPP. I'm just gonna go to premium, public, IMG. You can put up whatever images you want. Image not available. Let's copy a couple of images here so we can see. PHP, maybe this one. And profile image not available. These are transparent. So you can go from Unsplash, download as much as images you want. Now if I refresh, it's already been there. I'm just gonna close it here. So what we're going to do is I'm gonna say img slash, for example, let's see, this one, profile image not available. Let's put this one php.jpg. Let's to have something colorful. And if I refresh, now this image is occupying too much space. Now one more I would like to do is for the author. Right? So I'm gonna put it this, where is it? So I'm gonna put a profile image not available, and let's just rename it. So it's PNG, by the way. And where is it? Profile image, oops, not available. And I think we're done for that part. Here it is. We have two images. It looks bad, I know. Just close it. Use whatever images you want. Now I'm gonna go style them. I mean the image background size, cover. So if I have some mistake, I will not see the changes. Background, position. So I should put a center, background repeat, no repeat, and what else I need? I will also give it a width to 100% and a height to 100%. Oh, sorry, to 50 viewport height. So I'm just mimicking this part. Now I'm done. Okay, this haven't happened for a while. Now let's save it and see what's happening actually. Yeah, that is looking way better. So the image is there. Now if you can notice, it's a little bit shift on this side. That is why, because I have a margin 0 pixels. I just want to remove that margin, and I'm gonna say important like this, and now it's gonna go like that. Very good. Margin 0 pixels, important to remove the margin from the row. So what else we need to do here? So after this, I'm gonna go post image underscore author. Let's see what's happening. So I'm gonna say margin top. By the way, can I just close this? Minus 75 pixels. Background color white. And width, I just want a width to be 80%. Very good. I just want display to be flex, not inline. Flex direction column. What else we want here? We want justify the content. To justify the content to center, and also I want to align the items to the center. After that, what we are going to do, we're going to access the image container, and what we can is actually margin top. I'm pressing Control Save, that's why. It's minus 30 pixels. Very good. Now, after that, I'm gonna outside this curly bracket, I'm just gonna access the IMG, and I have it for this IMG. We will do 65. So we would like to make it round. Height is 65 pixels. Width is 65 pixels. What else we do have here? Border radius. Let's put it 50%, that to make it like a circle. Background size. Size to cover. Background repeat to no repeat. And background position to center. Now also I want to apply box shadow here. Box shadow, not sizing, shadow, and this box shadow will be 0 pixels, 10, 20, RGBA, and what color? Color black, of course, not white, black, and 0.4. Now after this, I'm just gonna style the post container title. Then font size, I will just crank it up to 50 pixels. That's too much, but we need to put it. Font weight, now I just want to make it 900. If we have it, just let me check for the imports. App, and yes, we do have it here, but we do have for Lato. Do we have for Roboto as well? Very good, we do have it. Sometimes I put something here and we don't have it, and that's bad. Padding 30 pixels and 60 pixels. I'm just gonna style the post container, not title, body, and I think we should save it and see what's happening. Right, we don't have too much thing to do. Line height, let's remove line height for now. I'm just gonna say margin top 150 pixels, not 15. Margin bottom, I just also want to put a bottom 200 pixels. Very good. And I think I'm done. I think we need to save this and see what's happening. No, that's nice. Here it is. Everything looks better, but you can't see actually this because the image is too wide. Now, that's what I can do. I can just put this one in here. So I've just copied another image into the IMG folder, and I'm just gonna close here, and I'm gonna change it. Not, yes, block. So /view.js, That's not Vue.js, by the way, but I just put it some random name. Just gonna, here it is. Now you can see it. Very good. But so we have the title. Let's just see what's happening here. Now this title goes on the right side, and we will need to fix this. By the way, this margin is good. That we close it. Very good. Now I'm just talking to myself for a little bit. I'm sorry, guys. So that's not professional by my side, but what we can do is I can target anything rest of the classes. So watch me how I can target post image, comma, post image author. Very good. So I will just target multiple classes here. Title, then what I have, body, and we haven't done this one, but we're gonna do it now. Post, container, and let's say comment. Now I want to do a media query here. So media, and I'm gonna put a screen. The size is gonna max width to be 700 pixels because I don't want the way it looks at the moment. Now here I'm gonna say to be width, the container to be 100%, and that I'm gonna put it as important to override anything. And also what I want to do is margin left, to kill that margin left 0, and that should be important as well. So I'm gonna save it, and this will run for a while, and I'm just gonna refresh. Nothing strange should happen here, but when we are shrinking, there you go. Now we have everything working nicely. So I do like it. So we haven't done pretty much anything that we haven't coded before, so look it up, just pause it. I don't want to make it too long, and that's pretty much it. Now what I want to, one more thing to do is I just want to create here. I'm just gonna grab this, not Vue.js actually. I'm just gonna copy this one, img not available, and I'm just gonna Control F, img. So I'm gonna look for rest of them. So this one I'm gonna put it there. So what's next, img? There is nothing next? Should be. Here it is. One more. There might be one more, but I'm not sure. Let's save it and let's see what's happening. Here it is. 15 minutes ago, and that should be the date, right? Or you can put here, make it more nicer, PHP. I think one was PNG, right? Nope, wasn't. PHP JPEG. Nice. Here it is. That's the date, and this is 15 minutes ago. So to have something a little bit different. Now let's see what's happening here. Good. We can make this one to stretch from left to right, but I'm not gonna do it right now. I'm happy with this design, and we have done something awesome, guys. So we have there's a margin here. You can lower down the margin if you want, because if the text is bigger, you can see it. Now try from your part to see what you don't like and change it, make it a little bit more nicer. Here you can apply more, for example, of your styles. But yeah, now to summarize what we have done, we have styled this part, the image, we have just moved this part on top, create author image with the name, with the date, the title goes here, the body, and the rest is history. This is a reply section, so we might not use this one. We might use discuss. Discuss is a PHP. You will actually see it's commenting system that we can include it here. So, but I want you to have this one, because a lot of students ask me, oh, can you do more simple commenting see, this is how they call it, a tree, yeah, cascading tree style. And so I've done this one just for you guys, and that's pretty much it. So I will see you in the next lecture. What we will do then, I think we are just going to work on the login and register, because we have done most of the things, so we don't have too many things to do. And after that we start encoding, and that's pretty much it. I'm talking too much. Hope you're having a good day, and I see you in the next one.